Alright, so what I'm going to do now is cut out the template on the half-inch piece of ply that I have here. And what I'm going to do, I've already traced out the lines and they have a pretty good curve. So I've got a razor and my straight edge here, and I'm going to use that to guide me along as I cut this guy out. So I'm going to take my razor and just go along. Now, it's peeling a little bit, that's okay. We just need a general idea of this thing. Down, gets a little curvy up at the top here. That's where I'll throw in my curved edge. Kind of keep it going. And I'm just going to trace it out with my finger here and go along the edge. What we want to have happen is just to make sure we keep the distance between the sides equal so that it doesn't lose any of the shape. Some people were wondering too what the distance is between the floor here. If you want to take a look at it, it is about, I'm measuring just about 23 inches at the deepest spot. So it's probably about 23 by, I would say, 48. And another 17. So about 60 or so, something in the 60 range, if you want to allow this. But I'm going to keep going along with the straight edge. It's a little windy today, so some of my paper's kind of drifting around, but we go past the vent spot there, all the way down. This paper's pretty light, so again, it'll tear if you don't hold it here. And the reason for cutting out the center template is now I want to be able to go ahead and take my marker and trace just around this guy, so I have a pretty good idea of what the cut's going to look like. I'm going to use my jig, I'm going to keep it a little bit more straight. But this will give me a pretty good representation of what the floor dimensions are going to look like. You can see the shape of this big cutout is pretty much representative of what the bottom of the boat looks like. Going around here. And again, it's not going to be precisely spot on with all of my curves, but it's going to be good enough for the bottom of the boat, that's for sure. Going down the edge here, and meet up with my bottom spot. Now, take all this stuff out of here, and what you can see that's left here is a pretty good cutout of what the bottom of the boat is. It's a good width in the middle, the length is perfect. The curves can be done over a little bit, so I'm going to probably get my couple of my rollers and some of my other edges in there and straighten that out. But it's working really well in this piece. The piece measures 30 all the way across. So 30 by, I believe it's 6 feet, 5.5 feet, something like that. But you're good to go if you cut it that way. We'll be back when we cut it out.